Imagine fresh, organic vegetables on your plate every single day, no matter how cold it gets outside. It's not a dream, it's a reality with winter hydroponics.
Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm a Maryland urban small space gardener growing in Zone 7B.
No fail winter hydroponics. I'm back with my first update for the Winter Indoor Growing Challenge. Hosted by GT Jr. Grows at Alaska and Mike's Chaotic Gardening. Even though it's super cold here in my Maryland Zone 7B garden, it doesn't mean that I have to stop growing food. Many of us can have an indoor winter garden, not growing in soil, but growing in water. In my entry video, I brought you guys along as I sowed seeds indoors, and today is the first update, so I'm going to show you how my plants are doing. In today's video, I'm going to share my top 5 crops for year-round harvest using the no-fail winter hydroponics method. Today, I decided to also include tomatoes and peppers in my winter indoor growing challenge. They're super easy to grow. Simply plant your seed, then give it warmth and some humidity. Those were the pepper seeds. Now let's plant our tomato seeds.
Put my humidity down on there.
We started these seeds together on December the 3rd. I am so happy with how things are growing. These plants are extremely healthy. Look at the vibrant purple color here. The bok choy looks so delicious. The Lolla Rossa lettuce, I love the color on her. Everything just looks amazing. The Purple Lady Bok Choy is definitely one of my favorites. Can't you see why? She is giving all of her deep purple royalty here. And the lettuce, I love this frilly, loose leaf variety for continuous, fresh green salads all year round. And yes, Swiss chard will always be one of my top 5. Super easy and rewarding to grow. Colorful, nutritious leaves and stems. Picking the outer ones to encourage new growth. And basil, very fragrant, flavorful herb for cooking all sorts of dishes. Pesto sauce, salads, soups, stir fries, you name it. This channel highlights urban and small space gardening for beginners and winter hydroponics, which addresses the common challenge of year-round food production in limited spaces. Winter gardening through hydroponics offers a practical solution to maintain fresh produce year-round. Asian greens grow extremely well indoors hydroponically, like pak choi and tatsoi. Pak choi grows crisp white stalks. Tatsoi forms low, dark green, spoon-shaped rosettes. Absolutely beautiful plant. Last but not least of my top 5 crops, cilantro. It's one of those herbs, you either like it or you don't. And here's my update on dill. Dill is doing absolutely amazing, happy with it. Purple Lady Bok Choy, Lolla Rossa lettuce, Swiss chard, basil, and cilantro. When it comes to growing indoors hydroponically, these 5 crops are my no-fail winter choices. Okay, this is my new system. This is the LetPot. This is one of my prizes as the first place winner in the hashtag WIG 2024. I was happy to win this new system. I also won the Mufka system. Just planted some new seeds. Hopefully you can see the seed there. And these are the Creole tomatoes. So planted one here. The other one here. So these are the tomatoes. Also planted some collards. These are Morris heading collards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in 1, 2, 3, 4, I have cabbage. This is the Copenhagen market cabbage. Hard to see the seeds. So this is what I planted today. So we're going to do a harvest video. The Lolla Rossa lettuce is shading out one of my other lettuces here. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest it. Pro tip here, to get light to lower plants in a hydroponic system, go ahead and prune the taller plants to keep them bushy and short. Then adjust the light height so that the plants are all receiving the same amount of light.
She don't play with the plants. Got dirt in her nails. From seed to the skillet, every meal tells tales. Hydro glowing while the weather stay wild. She the garden queen, hood raised earth child. Fresh greens popping and the peppers on deck. Tomatoes so ripe, make the sun say check. Wind down vibes, she pouring it smooth. Talk truth, drop gems, got that grown woman groove. Young and tender, she don't fake that. Grow it from the root, then she plate that. OCD chick better state that. E-lock rolling deep, can't break that. Young and tender, bringing that flame. From the dirt to the dish, she changing the game. Hydro locked in, ain't nothing the same. E-lock nation, remember the name. Yo, yeah. Tech, she don't follow, she lead. She planted, she grow it, she live what she speak.
This was such a wonderful and much needed harvest. At just under 30 days, I think we did pretty good. So you know what I did with all of those wonderful greens. I made this beautiful salad, added some blueberries, strawberries, tomatoes from the garden, and salmon to go with.
Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.